case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2002 case heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the 11th Circuit, Loren v. Sasser, the court examined whether discrimination against individuals attempting to build on their property was unlawful. The case was prompted by the denial of construction permits for a fence, deck, and wheelchair ramp requested by homeowners in a deed-restricted Florida subdivision. The homeowners, whose family members had limited mobility, alleged that the denial violated their First and 14th Amendment rights. A lower court had granted partial summary judgment to the defendants on some counts, and a jury had determined that there was no discriminatory intent involved in denying the application for a deck and wheelchair ramp. The homeowners appealed the verdict, claiming insufficient evidence. The court ruled that the district court's decisions on the front yard fence count and the for sale sign count were correct, as the defendants had offered reasonable alternatives and had not acted under state law. However, the appellants failed to provide a trial transcript to support their claims related to the deck and wheelchair ramp counts, leading the court to uphold the district court's decision.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.